guys, what's up? This is your tech dude. Today I will show you how to make cross cable to internet connections and another straight cable. What are the two differences on the cross cable and straight cable? The straight cable to different devices, router and computer, and switch and computer. The straight cable, laptop to desktop is the connecting purpose. You want cross cable. I will show you. This Cat 5 cable or Cat 6 cable we use it for the internet connection. This is 4 pair cables. Each contains is 2 cables are there. Green, white and green. This one brown, white and brown. This one blue, white and blue. This one orange, white, orange. After that, I will remove this twisted pair cable, single one. I separate 4 pair cables individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I will straight this cable. Some bend is there each cable. This gently this way you straight this cable. This is a single stand. If you put much pressure, this internally break. First I will make a straight cable. If you straight cable require first white orange wire, taken first white orange wire separately. After that only orange wire, second wire put on this way, and third one is green white wire. Take third place and gently straight it. Fourth wire is blue color. This one straight it. The fifth one white blue. The fifth one white blue. The sixth one green. The sixth one green. The seventh one white brown. The seventh one is white brown. And straight it gently. The eighth one is only brown color. This one is brown color. You straight gently and 8 pieces in correct hand. Put this way. After that, you take clamping tool. This one is the clamping tool. This one is a clamping tool. This one is the clamping tool. The rj11 and rj45 connectors. This tool is called clamping tool. This tool is called clamping tool. Now I use this tool. This clamping tool is connecting rj11, rj8 and rj45 connector. This bigger one is rj45 connector. These connectors are also available in loose. These connectors also available. These connectors called rj45 pin connectors. This contains 8 pins. It contains 8 pins. This contains 8 pins. Now I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I will take this crimping tool. This is the crimping tool. Is one blade is there. You watch this blade, this point. I will cut this cables are. Some cables are small, some cables are long length. I will equivalently cut these cables perfectly. After that I will trim. This cable cut equally, 8 cables. Now I take one rj45 jack. Now I take rj45 jack. This side is the inning cables. I put on this way. And I take crimping tool and press it. This is the rj45 socket. This socket and put this way. Gently press. Some sound is coming. The crimping is perfectly done. Once again I will show you these cables are, some cables are long, some cables are very short. I will equally cut. Take this crimping tool. This crimping tool is contained knife. I will cut, finishing the equal cutting. I take rj45 connector. This is the socket. Put on these cables this way, and this rj connector is this crimping tool. I kept this way and press both ends these handles. Both ends these handles this way. This is locked. I will once check, show you. Pull this cable and jack. The cables are not coming. This is the perfectly clamping. The cross cable, the straight cable are same procedure. I will show you cross cable how to make one side. Different I will show you now. Now I will clamp this cross cable one side. Take a crimping tool, put this jack this way. And kept this way. This jack and press this both handles, both hands. Some small click sound is coming. This successfully clamped these cables. Now I will show this cables how to test. First cross cable. This light is coming equally. Once you check, the indicators coming. This cable perfectly okay. I will check cross cable first. Okay, this cross cable perfectly working. Now I will check this straight cable. Put on both RJ connectors tightly. I on this indicator button. These cables are giving indication. This straight cable, each both sides are same. 1 1 okay, 2 2 okay, 3 3 okay, 4 4 okay, 5 5 okay, 6 6 okay, 7 7. Same both sides. This is the indicate the cable is perfectly clamped. This cable worked very good condition. Please subscribe my videos and like my videos. If any doubts and networking and LAN connections and router programming, please contact my number 8106576305. Once again, I repeat my mobile number 8106576305. Thank you very much. What's up, dude? Tech dude, this is your tech dude. Please contact. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my videos. Thank you, tester. This equipment called cable tester. It is RJ45 cables, RJ25 cables testing purpose. I will show you how to connect. This is eight numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These numbers are 8 cables. Now I'll you straight this way and kept all cables equally, and extra cables you cut. Take a stiffer, put on this, then cut it. The all cables come equal size. Now I will show you cross cable. One side, the first side is, second side is some wires different, changing the color code. The first one is cross cable white green, green second wire, and third wire orange white, fourth wire blue color, fifth wire is white blue, sixth wire orange, seventh wire white brown, eighth wire is brown. Once again I will repeat, please don't confuse. This one cross cable, one set the wires are different. You take first wire white green, second wire green, third wire white orange, fourth wire blue color, fifth wire white blue, sixth wire orange, seventh wire white brown, eighth wire brown.